You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases from Latin. If you want to learn more Latin expressions and biblical phrases and names as well, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to. Praise be to God, or praise to God. Latin pronunciation, Laus Deo. Laus Deo. In English, it's usually pronounced similarly as Laus. Some may say it as Laus, but it's normally Laus Deo. Laus Deo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.